Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Congratulations on Bitcoin pumping yesterday to $60,000. And my trades activating at 52 are massively in 52, 54, 56, all now in profits, which is beautiful. Even the one I had at 58. So nice. Congratulations, all of you. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my $650,000 account now, or 640, which is up around $30,000 from yesterday, and about $100,000 this week, which is beautiful, or something like this. And we're going to go into technical analysis for Ethereum. I'm going to show you where I would set up trades, and I'm going to show you my current trades and read your questions. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let me know your country, send your country flag in the comments, or let me know any tickers you'd like me to analyze. And again, big congratulations anyone who sold Bitcoin with me at 67 and bought 52. Love you all. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and you can see market was very beautiful yesterday. Bitcoin up 4%, 60,500. Doge, as I called it, up almost 4%. Ethereum 3.3. Total market cap 3.2, above 2 trillion now. BNB 2%, MCRT 1.8%, Google 1.8%, Solana 1.9%. Everything slightly up. Tesla was slightly up as well, which is beautiful. Bitcoin leading 4% up. Let's go into the technicals for Bitcoin on the weekly chart. We've still got 2 days left, almost high. We've got a lot of volume. It's going to be one of the higher volume weeks, which is beautiful. Stochastic is still turning up from oversold. Squeeze mob hasn't gone green yet, but it's starting to turn. Crypto Guru bot, which you get at jamescryptoguru.com in the crypto mastercourse, fired a blue buy in February at 20,000. Still a blue buy now, hasn't fired red sell. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell, did not yet fire a buy up here. It's chopped in this bull flag. We still have those main patterns: bull flag, cup and handle, and broadening descending wedge. Let's go closer into the daily. Also, I want to just remind you guys, the peak of the bull run is 560 days after the halving, and each time that we had that bull run peak, it moves up around 280%. If that was to happen like the last halvings, 560 days after the halving, our target would be $269,000 for Bitcoin, which would be amazing. Stochastic heading up very strongly on the daily, and squeeze mob going green. That descending wedge playing out beautifully. If you guys remember, descending wedge builds pressure, and breaks out. Target 64K. I predicted this more than a week ago, and it's massively in profits. I'll show you now. This video was 5 days ago. Wedge, everyone. I'll teach you what that means now. Descending wedge does this. Builds pressure, and then breaks out the base of the wedge. Target of Bitcoin, if we break out of here, 64,000. 5 days later, boom. Beautiful. Congratulations, all of you. Target still 64, and I'm seeing W formation that's going to be taking us most likely to 69, which will be beautiful. And then it activates this giant bull flag, everyone, that takes us to 105,000, and then 560 days. We're about 120 days after the halving. My target is 100 at 105,000, can go up to 269 according to the previous halvings. Let's go closer into the 4-hourly. Bull flag playing out, inverse head and shoulders. I saw that yesterday as well. I talked about that shoulder, and that's also breaking out. Target of inverse head and shoulders would be the base of the head, about 65,000, with the same target as before, which is beautiful. If you have not yet taken a trade, doing it off major support, riskier trade, I would take off this support here, opening at 58,000, stop loss 57,700, take profit 104K, risk to reward, risking $300 to make $47,000 with no leverage. 10x leverage, 470,000. Safer trade, I would take now from here. The supports are growing. Safer trade, I'll take from 56,000, stop loss 55,500, take profit 105K, risk towards 71 times, risking 688 to make 49,000. Those are the two trades I take on Bitcoin. 58 being the safer, 56 being the more risky. I'm going to show you my trades now, and then we'll go into Ethereum. If you go under the video, you'll see the links to Bybit. If you sign up, Bybit is the best exchange. You get a $60,000 bonus when you meet their trading requirements. It's my favorite exchange for trading, the best liquidity, the lowest fees. I use it all the time for trading. Take the crypto master course to learn how to set up your charts, how to trade, and how to use all of this and do what I'm doing. And then join us in the Telegram to talk with other traders. My Bybit account right now is sitting at 650,000, which is beautiful. This week I went from 565 to 619 yesterday to today 650. So I made $30,000 yesterday, and I'm up almost 100,000 minus 15,000. I'm up $85,000 this week, which is beautiful. These are my Bitcoin trades. If you remember, Bitcoin up 4%. This is when I warned everyone, sold Bitcoin at 65K. Then I bought Bitcoin at 57, 55, and all the way down at 50, close to 53. And now we bounce back, 60K, and now my trade is $23,000 in the profits. At one point, when I was building this trade, it was negative 30K, but I managed to build quite a big trade. It's a $430,000 trade. And right now, I am still getting paid to keep this. I'm getting paid, everyone, to keep this $430,000 trade open. I'm getting paid to keep it open. The funding fee is still negative while Bitcoin's at 60K. Crazy. $23,000 profit on that trade. This is my asset breakdown. Bitcoin 18%, USDT 30%, Doge 19%, MCRT 13%, Uniswap 8%, Ethereum 7%. 650 in this account, which is beautiful. Up from 150 I started this account. At the peak it was 920, but I did withdraw hundreds of thousands of dollars for seed investments, for my own spending this year. This count 1 year ago was less than 1 year ago was 150, and now it's sitting at 650, while I've used like hundreds of thousands of dollars for this account for seed investing, etc. 165K cash. Doge up 4%, 103K in Doge, 100K Bitcoin up 4%, MCRT up 2%, 68K Uniswap up 2%, 46K Ethereum, 37K 3%. Should have bought more Ethereum actually on that bottom. That was very obvious at 2,000 area, but it's okay. I was too overly. I don't have enough USDT now. I entered enough that drop and up very nicely on the account. While, by the way, I've been spending from this card. If you see my card, I just had to fill out some form. I've been spending from this. So this year I've spent $23,000 euro. This month 2,500. And also ATM like 5,000. So I've spent like 40,000 plus I seed invested like few hundred thousand. So my account is up beautifully. Again, if you want to get Bybit under the video, down below, sign up to Bybit with that link. $30,000 bonus. $60,000 bonus now, and it's my favorite exchange. Let's go into Ethereum and Doge, and then I'll read your request. Ethereum. Let's go onto the weekly. On that yellow trend line, that was a perfect buying opportunity actually, because this trend line goes back to 2023, the beginning of 2023. So nice area to be buying there. If you have not yet taken a trade on Ethereum, catching it from this blue support, the main yearly support line, opening at 2285 on a bit of a pullback. Stop loss 22. Stop loss, I'd make it 22. And take profit 4,700, which is the bull market. Also, I see Ethereum is making this descending wedge, everyone. Descending triangle. Builds pressure, and breaks out. 4,700 is the target. And you can see it's pulled back all the way to this 1 year trend line, even with the ETFs buying, which is amazing. Let's go into Doge. Doge breaking out of this massive descending wedge. And Elon Musk has been talking about this for a while. Every day he's tweeting about Doge. And it's breaking out, everyone. Target 20 cents. Descending wedge, as I teach you in the Crypto Master course. Big congratulations to all of you. Over on X, you can follow me on X. 91,000 followers now on X. Peace in the heavens, peace in the sky, peace on earth, peace in the waters, peace in the plants, peace in the trees, peace in all the gods, peace in Brahman, peace in all things, peace, peace, peace. I love that quote. Get ready, Bitcoin bulls. Yesterday I talked about this Bitcoin move incoming, and then pump, we smashed it to 60K, which is beautiful. Just been chopping around recently. I say at this video yesterday, at some point I was like, Bitcoin is ready to go. Volume's still strong of the wedge. which is
That
not
was
so beautiful.
58K yesterday, now we're at 60K.
But that bull flag is...
It's super lame that Harris campaign thinks they can get away with completely ignoring crypto after the last 4 years of blatantly hostile administration set on killing crypto in the USA. Not a word from her on crypto. Your issues don't matter to me is the message. I urge all Australians to send emails to their MPs and asking them not to let the misinformation and disinformation bill. See how these evil people, they always say the opposite of what it is. This bill is to stop anyone questioning COVID, questioning the banks, questioning the government, but they call it misinformation and disinformation bill. It's like they're the evil. They say the opposite of what they're doing, exactly like the devil would. You know, he's like, it's crazy. I urge all Australians not to vote for those MPs who vote yes to this bill in future elections. Always learning from you. This is the right attitude. Learn from my wins, losses, and lessons so you don't have to. You are the GOAT, greatest of all time. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Coin Collector. Bitcoin just broke above 60K. Yesterday I said get ready for Bitcoin bulls. Government wastage. Bring in the Department of Government Efficiency. Doge father. Elon Musk is tweeting a lot about Doge. MicroStrategy yesterday purchased 1.1 billion Bitcoin. Average price 60,000. They acquired 18,000 Bitcoin this last quarter. Crypto is the future. Donald Trump pushing cryptocurrency.
Join me live on Twitter Spaces at 8 p.m. this September 16th for the launch of World Liberty Financial. We're embracing the future with crypto and leaving the slow and outdated big banks behind.
Amazing. And you can see everything. Elon pushes back against Australian censorship laws. Everyone, go defend Australian free speech. When you can't defend free speech anymore, you will not be able to when they come after you. Bitcoin has been chopping descending channel for a bigger bull flag. Bitcoin target 64K, which is playing out. Magicraft, huge milestone. We are thrilled to announce celebrate 100,000 Magicraft downloads. The MCRT team is extremely proud of the achievements. Great job, team. Balance in all things. ChatGPT, there's a lot of information there. Let's read some of your questions. Very interesting, excellent content as always. Thank you, Crypto Princess. Sell the news coming? I don't think so. Very good. My targets are quite bullish for Bitcoin at the moment. How is $329 to 40K with no leverage? Bitcoin, you have to say nice question, but it's asked very often. Take the Crypto Master Course. After you've taken the Crypto Master Course, you'll fully understand what I'm doing and how it all works. And it is correct. You do risk on these trades. I literally risk what I'm exactly saying. Like I risk in Bitcoin. This trade, for example, it really risks. This one really risks $300. It really risks $300 to make $47,000. It's like per Bitcoin with no leverage. So you put a stop loss and the max risk you can take is $300. But you learn it in the Crypto Master Course. From Brazil, awesome. Watching from Brazil since 2023. Thank you, Jack Slice. No Bybit allowed here from, I think, maybe Norway. Wolves. That sucks. Bybit not allowed. Femex is really good, apparently, for anyone who has restrictions. I'll put a link for Femex in my description. Diamond Button Bro, making analysis from Tajikistan, from, I think, Russia. James, thanks. Please, can you check the weekly massive liquidity at 46? I don't think we're coming down there. 52K was, it should have tried to take it out if it was going to. James, what about your Bart? Thank you for your video. Bart. I'm not sure what that means. My favorite show is the music at the start. Awesome. Oh, I don't know this flag. Hi, Majax. Soul prediction. How did you put that on your TV? Just open bitcoinprice.live on TV. Cool flag. I don't know what that flag is. Or this flag. Or this flag. Or this flag. Greetings from New Zealand. Whoa, what are these flags? James, you coming token 249? Possibly. Oh, this is the Swiss flag from UK. Can you have a look at Casper? Thank you, all you do, Guru. Your guidance made me a lot of money, saved me from multiple disasters. Please, God, give us Trump, and thank you for Elon. I agree, Spike. Thank God for Elon that he's on the fight for free speech. If he wasn't, it would be devastating. You have the kindest heart, are optimistic, and love a lot. Thank you so much. Mexico, France, Russia, maybe. Review Solana. 2 requests for Solana. Beautiful. You're my new financial advisor. Thanks. I'm going to do what you're doing. It's not financial advice, everyone. I'm showing you my trades and what I do in the markets, and you can take them as lessons to learn from me what I do, what mistakes I make. Malaysia, a lot of comments. Thank you all so much for all your comments. I love you all. You're so beautiful people. Let's go into Solana because it was requested twice. 139. Ooh, Solana pumped. Beautiful. Wow, look at this pump on Solana, everyone. Booyah. Congratulations. Congratulations. Didn't come down to activate this trade. It's back in this massive bull flag, everyone. If you want to get in Solana, now's probably the time, because this is a giant bullish pennant. The base of the pennant is the target. So Solana, once it breaks out, usually these symmetrical triangles play out like this: builds pressure, breaks out. 280 would be the target. So if you're trying to get into a Solana trade, it already broke out. You could possibly take it now with a tight stop loss, but I'd do it on a little bit of a pullback to here. Tight stop loss, so I'd open at maybe a little bit, I think there. 129, stop loss 125, take profit 309. Risk to reward is 48 times, which is beautiful. So I did questions and join us in the Telegram. There's 163 online. James, if I ever meet you, I'm going to buy you a beer and a tomahawk steak. Thank you, Arslan. Beautiful. I love steaks. I can translate all of these guys. Imagine with a spike to 200k. In my opinion, it is going to happen. Bitcoin is going to melt faces, and when it's ready, no one is ready for it. Only the experienced people are ready for it, and I think it's getting ready. Bitcoin up 84% on his trade. A lot of people making massive gains yesterday, which is beautiful. Congratulations to all of you. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Only think what you want to have happen. Enjoy your lives. You don't know when it's going to end. You don't know what's going to happen. Enjoy the moment every day. Be thankful for your gifts. Look for the gifts in your life. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.